Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the unboxing of the Havells Stealth Air Underlight ceiling fan, which is an ABS plastic body built fan. This is a non-BLDC fan, like Silent Pro, and so the design is quite same, or else like the Orient Aero series. But this is a non-BLDC, like a normal induction motor thing with a full copper winding. So this is quite better, and I can trust it more than Silent Pro, and so because Silent Pro is only available in BLDC. So I thought to unbox this because this is my relatives, and for an experience, like to show you guys how it's the fan. So the size is 1250 that is 49 inches, and the fan manufactured is 19th Feb 2021. So this is a quite old piece, 1 year old. I'm putting the video late. Now the price might, like the earlier when my relative had purchased, it was only for like 7,500 to 8,000 rupees. Now the prices have rose to like 9,500 to 10,000 rupees for the fan, the underlight version. So underlight version has only an extra light, nothing different from the normal version, an extra light and some that PCB connections and all. So that increases the cost around like 500 to 1,000 rupees than the normal steel there. Both are completely same in the blade angle, airflow, and look wise when the light is off. So this is the pearl white color. The pearl white color is really awesome. The Havells is expert in making the pearl white color, so I really liked it when this was installed. So now let's open the box without much talking. This is the first appearance of the box. Like when you open it, this is 11-inch down rod. You can see 11-inch down rod is normally put in all ceiling fans because this is a must thing. And this quality of the down rod is really good. So if you open the another thermocol box, which is here properly, then you will notice a motor, canopies, the dummy down rod, the PCB of light, the remote, and the warranty card manuals. So you have to, and this is the brown box beside is with the blades, the 3 blades. So the lower and upper canopy are here. These have a different fitment. They have the hole for this normal down rod plus the dummy down rod holes. So you will have to ask the electrician to show how it is installed. And if it is a false ceiling, then you need to get it installed by like cutting the dummy rod, or else not putting it, or else directly installing the fan, or else putting it without the canopy as per your requirement and as per how the ceiling is. If it's a normal ceiling, the concrete ceiling, then directly install it with the original grounded, it will look good. The same thing is with the Silent Pro and all Orient Aero series. No much difference in the installation purpose. Everything is given properly in the warranty card and the user manual. So go through it and then install it, and make sure you tight everything properly, all the screws and all, because such fans are like really heavy. The motor was quite heavy when I picked it up. This is the remote and the user manual. The remote is used for the light purpose, not for the fan, because this is, I think this is used for fan also, so need to check. And the extra wires are given for the light PCB to be installed on the shaft and to the connector box of the fan and with the capacitor. So this is the blade set. So it's packed quite properly, quite decently, but you need to make sure that it's installed properly because the ABS body is a plastic body, and this might break if not maintained or like installed in the proper way. So the remote is taken out here. The quality was quite awesome. The paint finishing was also good. I was satisfied with this. And now comes the main unit, that is the motor. Let me take it out. So the motor has a golden trimming, like the ring type. You can see here. It was quite heavy, and the installation is like you can see from the upper portion extra like external plastic structure is given. So the capacitor was 2.5 MFD PVC capacitor, not an oil capacitor. So you can see this is the label, Havells Stealth Air Underlight. So this is the original capacitor. This is green wire is for the earthing, and another yellow extra wire and the black extra wire has to be connected to the light PCB, which is externally given, and some other wires are to connect it. So let me keep it back. Now this is the blade. You can see the blade has such a great glittery finish. And the label here shows different code. This makes sure that all the three blades have the same code, and hence there will be no wobbling. If you receive different number blades, then return it, as that will lead to wobbling of the fan. So make sure if you check that. And the ABS body is not that delicate or like easy to break. It's quite good unless you don't destroy it or mishandle it. The silent sensor is also installed in the same way. The looks of the silent sensor are quite bit better because the decos are installed at the edges of the blades, or I'll say the between the two blades, that shines while it's running. But here there is a single chrome ring which is quite unnoticeable, and this ring might fall off in future. So silent Enso is a really good product, and company has thought about it, and well, the quality of the construction while the model was about to be launched. So these are the dummy down rods. You can see these are not quite big. These are circular shape and have to be fit in the canopies. The canopies have the, you can say, interlocking system. You can do it. And this is the shaft. You can see the internally it has to be installed in the shaft. Here the connections, wiring, everything is given. You don't need to worry about it. And also that I haven't like taken the video of this fan running, because this fan was returned back, I don't know why, by my relative, and they purchased Havells Stealth Air normal one. So I have the running video of the normal one, not the Havells Stealth Air Underlight. So there is no much difference in the both the things except the light and a few remote features, because of which the price is more. And the blade angle, build quality, everything is completely same like the normal Havells Stealth Air. So that will be a good thing. Like if I show that, you will understand at least the performance of the fan for which you are buying it. So now let me show you the performance of the fan. Let me keep it properly. The electrician will install it and I'll be showing you the fan. I expect a really good quality from this.
So the fan is finally installed. It's exactly looking like the Havells Stealth Air Underlight, no difference, so you can understand how it looks. And this is quite properly installed on the false ceiling rod by the electrician. So now let's see the performance, how it is compared to the silent sensor.
Awesome airflow, really awesome. The performance is like hell awesome. It's like throwing the air so fast, like as if you are on a playground or garden. But still, no, I don't think that Havells will survive. Let's see how it survives. It's really awesome. Actually, I cannot assure you to buy or no, but airflow is quite awesome. I cannot make you sure, but this fan is really awesome. The airflow is really very high, and it's like a slapping effect and the Farata effect. So, good fan. But as it is plastic PVC body, I cannot recommend you very highly that buy it or no. But it's good. So guys, this was the fan unboxing, and I couldn't show you the installation because the electrician did. So thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll also make a video of the silent transfer of the container.